Hey everybody, today I am tackling a new project, which is this. I bought this secondhand from a thrift store, and it's in my entryway. So as you can see, here's my entryway. And it's just a little dark and kind of oppressive for the area in where I have it. So today I'm going to start, and I haven't received the backsplash yet, but I'm going to start redoing the whole thing. And I bought this contact paper wallpaper that is going to replace what it has in the insides, and then I'm going to have a backsplash done as well. I'm changing out the knobs, and I'm basically going to just refab it. So we will follow the project as it gets done today. I just wanted to show you the before because it's gonna be empty and everything, and then we'll go from there. So this is a different kind of DIY for me today. Have a great one.
That looks nice.
So here is the big brown ugly cabinet. My opinion, I know some people are going to be mad at me about that. And we have, as you can see, attached the wallpaper to the outsides. This is one of the cabinet doors. Other side, bottom and top are done. And then we have one of the shelves already finished, and trying to cut my friend out of here because she didn't want to be on camera. The other shelf is over there. So we're halfway done, and here's the new knob, which looks fantastic compared to the really old, weird gold stick that used to be on there. So we're halfway done, more than halfway done. I will show you once we finish the whole project. We're just waiting on the backsplash at this point. Here is the cabinet pack with all of the backing on. The only thing we're missing is the knobs, because when I went to pick up the black crystal knobs, they weren't there. So as you can see, we've got the black on the back, and on the sides at the top, there's going to be white shelves in the bottom. And then this is now going to be a pantry instead of the entryway. So this is what it looks like. And I will put one last little clip up once it's fully put together, knobs and all. Here's the project finally finished. You can see the black background, which turned out I vetoed the white shelves because it turned out the shelf was ½ inch too long for the entry. So we actually went up building another shelf and swapped out the knobs for these beautiful gray crystals. There's my new cat who decided he wants to be part of this. Finished project. Turned out beautifully. I love contact paper, by the way, this stuff. It has a bit of the grain to it. You can even feel it. It looks the same as the background. It looks like it's just stained wood, which is fantastic. This wallpaper stuff is great. I would not necessarily recommend using that for shelves in the future. It was a little challenging to work with, harder to fold, much stickier. Probably go with contact paper in the future if I was going to do this again. However, I love the outcome. So there you go. Project 1, finished. Give me your feedback down below. Like this video if you like this video. I will attach the links to the products that I bought so that you can find them yourself if you're interested in doing the same thing.